back to my channel. It's your girl Nurse Lee, also known as Lisa. In this video, I'm just going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial showing you guys how I get my light eyebrows looking darker by shading them in, concealing them, and making them look more presentable. So if you're interested in seeing this eyebrow tutorial and how I do my eyebrows, then just keep watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe for more nursing, beauty, and lifestyle videos. Also, turn on your bell notifications so that you're notified each and every time I post a new video. So let's get into this eyebrow tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, going from light eyebrows, because my eyebrows are very much so light, or should I say faded in color. So I like them looking a little bit darker than what they are now. So the products I'm going to be using for this eyebrow tutorial will be my Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil in the color medium brown. So this is the eye pencil I'm going to be using. And I'm going to be concealing it with my LA Pro concealer in the color. Okay, so what color is this? I'm not seeing an actual color on here, but it says GC991, if that helps at all. But yes, my LA Pro Girl Concealer is what I'm going to be using to conceal it. And then I'm going to be using this flat brush to also shape them up. So let me zoom in so that you guys can really get a good look. All right, so I think that's close enough. So first I start by using my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil to brush them in an upward motion. I just like the way they look better when I brush them upwards first. So I have them all going in one direction. And then I start shaping them and structuring my eyebrows to how I like them to look. I'm just outlining them first to the shape that I would like them to be. And then I do like light strokes to fill them in as well. And then I use the spoolie end and brush them in an upward motion again. Until I'm satisfied with the shape. Now I'm gonna go in with the concealer. Just put a little bit on my brush. And start outlining underneath my brows with the LA Pro concealer. You want to start underneath with a lighter color, shaping them to how you like them to be. And make sure you use a flat brush as well to give you that precision, that sharp look. And then I use my foundation color, since it's a little darker than the concealer, to then outline the top of my brows. Because you want the top color to be darker than what you use underneath your brows, to give it that snatched effect. You can either use your foundation color, or you can use another concealer that is darker than the one you put under your brows. Just a little bit darker, more so matching your skin tone. And then I go in with my beauty blender and just blend, 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 smooth it out. Smooth out both the concealer and the foundation. You have to make sure it is completely blended. All the harsh lines have to be blended as well. All right, so I'm just brushing it up again. Fading it out, basically. All right, so as you can see, that one side of my brow is done. I also go in with some gel, some Got2b Glue hair gel, put it on a spoolie just a little bit and brush my brows in an upward motion so that it stays in place. You can also use eyebrow gel or wax, but I don't have any brow gel, so Got2b Glue works just fine as well. Just a little bit, like I said, to keep it in place. And that's basically what I do for my brows. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. As you can see, the other side is now complete. And this is how the end result of my brows turn out. Nice and fluffy, upward strokes, concealed, and perfection. All right, you guys, so that concludes this video. As you guys saw, all the products I used, I'm gonna list them down below. Every time I go out, I like to shade my eyebrows in to give them more definition and shape. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.